Finding wholesale suppliers for Amazon FBA involves a systematic approach to identify reputable sources that can provide products at competitive prices. Here's a concise guide. Research online marketplaces. Utilize platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, and DHgate. These sites list numerous suppliers, offer verification services, and allow you to compare prices and minimum order quantities. Attend trade shows. Participate in trade shows and industry expos such as ASD Market Week and the Canton Fair. These events provide opportunities to meet suppliers face-to-face, inspect products, and discuss terms. Join wholesale directories. Subscribe to directories like Wholesale Central, SaleWho, and Worldwide Brands. These directories vet suppliers, making it easier to find reliable wholesalers. Leverage social networks and forums. Engage in online communities and forums such as Reddit, LinkedIn, and Facebook groups focused on Amazon FBA and wholesale sourcing. Networking can lead to valuable supplier recommendations. Contact manufacturers. Reach out to manufacturers directly and ask for a list of their authorized wholesalers or distributors. This ensures you're sourcing products from legitimate channels. Use Amazon's resources. Amazon's Brand Registry and Vendor Central can provide opportunities to connect with brands and suppliers directly. Verify supplier legitimacy. Check reviews, ask for references, and verify business credentials. Request samples to evaluate product quality. Negotiate terms. Discuss pricing, MOQs, payment terms, and shipping options to secure favorable deals.